visually pass crayon through crayon. The regular soda will sink to the bottom. Backpack, pencil pouch, pencil magically grows.
How did you know that?
They will never figure it out. And the diet soda floats.
Dad, no, do not. Those are crayons. It's not good for
So
you.
good.
Dad, stop it.
EvanEraTV.com.
What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic.
Oh, magic!
I am your host, Evan Era. It is early August, so you know what time it is. It's back to school time.
If you're gonna stay home today, you could help me shave my armpits.
Oh my God, I'll go to school.
So if you're ready to learn some cool back to school tricks, hit that thumbs up button and let's go. So school's about to be back in session. You've obviously got some school supplies. We're gonna take some crayons. I'm gonna show you a really cool trick that you can do with 2 crayons. So I've got 2 crayons, the purple and the green. Check this out. There's no way they can pass through each other, right? They would just break. But watch, if I use a little magic, 1, 2, 3, they magically pass through each other just like that. Now watch, we can reverse the process. On the count of 3, you'll see this happen. 1, 2, 3, and they come apart just like that. All right, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal the secret. The secret to this trick, it's actually really easy, and I'll teach you how it's done right now. This is the perfect magic trick to do in art class. So all you need are a couple of crayons. The secret is all in how you hold these. You're actually holding the tip of the crayon between your middle finger and your forefinger, just like this. Now, since we're gripping it between those 2 fingers, we can easily lift our thumb off and the crayon will stay in the exact same position. That is what's going to allow us to slide the crayons apart. It's also all about the angle that the viewer sees it from. So we want to make sure that hand is pointed sideways at our spectator so that the broadness of my hand is kind of blocking them seeing my thumb moving. So here's what the viewer is not seeing. That's just lifted up and the thumb goes right back on, and same thing on the way out. Now that you have the secret, it's time to practice, practice, practice until it looks smooth. And remember that the real secret of magic is showmanship and entertainment. Anyone can learn secrets to simple tricks. That doesn't make you a great magician, because truly entertaining magic doesn't just fool you, it makes you believe. So practice this until it looks like the crayons are really passing through each other, and make sure you have some showmanship in your performance. All right, Ava, I have a really cool trick to show you. See, I have a bunch of books here, a bunch of stacks of books. These are all books from my library. So I want you to do me a favor and choose any 2 books you want. Just choose any 2.
Okay. This one and this one.
Okay. Pull that one out. Perfect. Okay, so we've got your 2 books here. Now you can see if we flip through the pages of these books, they're all different, right? They're all different pages. They're not all the same page or anything like that, right? Same thing over here. Okay, so do me a favor, pick one of the books. Which one? Choose one. That one? Okay. You take that one, I'll take this one. So I'm going to flip through the pages of my book like this, and you just say stop whenever you want, okay?
Okay. Stop.
Right there, page 114 is where you stop me. So flip to page 114 in your book. I'm gonna close that up, I'm gonna look away while you do that. Okay, look at the first word on the page. Have you found page 114? Look at the first word on the page, written at the top of the page. First word, okay, you got it?
Yes.
Lock it in your mind. Close the book up so I can't see. All right, got the word in your mind. Okay, so think about the first letter of the word. You got it? Look at me. Think about the second letter, third letter. It's kind of a longer word, isn't it? Okay, I think I've got it.
Okay.
Okay. For the first time, what was your word?
Association.
Association.
Dad, what have you done? How did you do that? How did you do that?
So you picked both of the books, right? And you picked what book you wanted to use, right? You saw that all the pages were different, right? And you stopped me wherever you wanted, right? Is it possible that I've read every single one of these books and memorized them with my photographic memory, and I know no matter which page you stop on, I know exactly what the first word on that page is?
No.
You're right, that's not the secret. I'll teach you how to do this right now. This is a classic magic trick. It is called the book test. And once you learn this trick, you'll be able to do it anytime, anywhere, especially at school where there's plenty of books. Before you show them the trick, you're gonna say, check this out. If I flip through the pages of the book, you can see that they're all different. They're not all the same page. You want to glance one of the pages as you're flipping through. See, page 114 right here is the page that I glanced when I flipped through this book, and I saw that the top word on the page, the very first word, was the word association. Keep that in your mind, and then you can do the same thing with the other book, but don't look at that one. Just kind of flip through it and say, look, they're all different. And this is what's called a magician's choice. No matter which book you chose, I wanted to make sure that you got this book, The World Is Yours. That's the one that I glanced the word in. If you pick this one, I go, great, you take that one, and I'll take this one. But if they choose the other one, you just go, okay, great, I'm gonna take this book for the demonstration, you can use that one. When I flip through the book, no matter where you tell me to stop, I'm gonna say the number of the page that I glanced in that book.
You're finally revealing your secrets.
So no matter what page I stop on, I say you stopped on page 114. They look up the page in their book. You can write this down on a piece of paper, act like you're doing a mind reading thing like I did, and then reveal the word, and their mind will be blown. I have a regular number 2 pencil here, and I also have a brown paper bag. So check this out. I'm gonna sit the bag down here, and the pencil actually goes right inside the bag, just like this. Now, I'm going to leave the pencil in the bag. Watch closely. If I just wave over the bag, watch. If I look. The pencil magically grows into a giant pencil. Now I know you're thinking the regular size pencil must still be inside the bag. It's not. I'll show you the secret right now. Okay, here is how you set up the giant pencil prank. It actually has a real working pencil lead and a real eraser. They're available now at evanera.tv.com. Get one today in time for back to school. Going to have the giant pencil hidden below the table. You're also going to need a paper bag, and you need to cut a hole in the back of the bag before the trick starts. Don't ever let the audience see it. It's going to be hidden from the back. All you have to do is take your regular size pencil, place it down inside the bag, and let that secretly fall into your lap. At the same time, you're going to grab the tip of the pencil and begin pulling it up through the bag just like this. You can then immediately lift the bag up off the table, and it really sells this illusion that the pencil is way too big to have come out of the bag. Most of your spectators are going to think that the regular size pencil is still inside the bag. That's when you take it and crumple it up and throw it away. This way, you also get rid of the evidence of the hole cut in the back of the bag. And then let people check out your magic giant pencil that they just saw grow in front of their eyes. Here's a really cool trick that you can show your science teacher. 2 cans of soda, one a regular soda and one a diet soda. You can take them and put them in a big tub of water like this. The regular soda will sink to the bottom, and the diet soda floats right at the top. All you need is a can of Diet Coke, a can of regular Coke, and a big thing of water. The dissolved sweeteners in a regular can of Coke are a lot denser. They make a denser can of soda, so it sinks to the bottom like this. Whereas diet sodas are less dense than water, so it floats at the top. This is all just the magic of science. Isn't density amazing?
I'm your density. I mean, your destiny.
So you can grab a couple cans of soda, try this out at home, or take them to school and show your science teacher. It is back to school time, as you know, so check this out. Backpack, pencil pouch. Inside the pencil pouch, we got a bunch of pens and markers and some crayons. Check this out. I'm going to take a couple of the crayons here. If I just unwrap this one like this, I can actually take the crayon.
Dad, no, it's not the pen.
Yeah, so good.
Dad, no, do not. Those are crayons. It's not good for
So
you.
good.
Dad, stop it. Stop.
Try one.
Oh my gosh.
So as you might have guessed, these are not normal crayons. They are actually fruit-flavored sticks of bubble gum in the shape of crayons, and they really look authentic. You can act like you're drawing with it, then grab it and take a bite. So you can barely tell the difference between regular crayons and the bubble gum ones. Leave in the comments which one is the real crayons and which one are the fakes. I have a little notepad here, and I'm going to show you a trick with it in just a second. But before that, you have your phone there, right? Go ahead and just leave it face down. Just like that, and don't check it until after the trick. I'm gonna send you something right now, okay?
Okay.
should be hitting your phone there. All right, cool. Don't look at it yet. That's my prediction. I have a little notebook here, and you can see it's got different names of animals. Monkey, horse, you know, stuff like that. Bunch of different animals, one on each page, right? So I'm gonna have you stick your finger in as I riffle through it and just pick any one you want. Ready? Right there, okay, take a look at what you stopped on. Got it locked in your mind. Okay, we're gonna show the camera. Got it? All right, close this up. Now, I sent you a text before this started of what I thought you would choose. Go ahead and look at your phone.
You are correct. How did you know that?
Magic. Here is the secret to the magic prediction trick. It's actually all found in this little notebook. This is a special notebook called a Svengali pad. Stay tuned for the end of the video if you want to win one. I'm going to give one away to one lucky comment. When you flip through it this way, you can clearly see that there are a bunch of different names of animals on each page. When you flip through this way, you can see that every page now says lion, and it's actually cut slightly shorter than the other pages. This is called a Svengali design. When you flip this way, the longer pages are catching your thumb as you flip through. But when you flip the other direction like this, and you have somebody stick their finger in, they will stop on lion every single time. So you use the Svengali pad, you do the force, they look at their phone, and their mind is blown that your prediction exactly matches the thing that they stopped on. Okay, that is it for this video. If you liked it, be sure to hit the thumbs up button, share it with someone you think might like it too. All the likes and the shares on the video really help the YouTube algorithm. When you share it with a friend, you help the magic spread around the world and bring more people into the channel. Be sure to head over to evaneratv.com. There's a link in the description to check it out. That is our online magic shop. We have the giant Laugh at Life pencils, standard Laugh at Life pencils, just normal size, and a bunch of really cool magic tricks that you can't find anywhere else. Again, the link for that is in the description at evaneratv.com. And it is giveaway time. I'm giving away all the magic props from this video. Giving away a giant pencil, edible crayons, a Svengali notepad, and a couple packs of Laugh at Life pencils to lucky comments in the comment section down below. All you have to do to win the giveaway is leave a comment down below. The more comments you leave, the better your chances of winning, because I'll be going through the comments and picking random winners and mailing the magic out to you. Time to announce the giveaway winners from our last how-to magic video. The winners are magically appearing on the screen right here. Congratulations if you won the giveaway. Be sure to check the description of this video for instructions on how to claim your prize. We've done a lot of other back-to-school videos in years past, so be sure to check out the playlist if you want to learn more cool back-to-school tricks. Until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.